Okay, so I'm going to try the drill trick to get the generator field flashed on this starter. So when I first start the engine, I'm going to pull the trigger and you're going to see that the drill doesn't run. But then I'm going to do the trick where now I've confirmed that the drill is set to turn this way. I'm going to yank it that way to generate some magnetic magic in there to try to get the field to flash and bootstrap itself, and then hopefully then I'll be able to pull the trigger and the generator will run. So here we go. So let's get the choke on. Let's turn that to on. So we're just getting the engine going, and then we'll get the electrical running.